Hi, welcome back. This is Priyam, and in this video, we'll be playing a game. This game is a typical guessing game session between player and the computer. First step is to input the name of the player and give them some instruction regarding the game. And the computer will pick out a secret random number between 10 to 1 to 100, which won't be displayed, and the player has to guess it. And depending on the player's guess, there will be a message whether their guess is too high, too low, or spot on, which means it will be correct. Once the player has got the right answer, we have to give them an option if any other player wants to play, or to repeat the whole program and display the n number of players who have played the game. So for this problem, I have already created the code. So let's go through it. String name and play again are used. Int n, guess. Console clear is used to clear up the screen. Console write line, Priyam's guessing game, is the title of the game. And a while loop is created, which displays if the user has typed Y, be it caps lock or small, it will go through all these commands, such as enter your name, give instructions, and if the guess is, once the computer has selected their number, it would give the player a chance to select what number has been selected. And the statement of 52 line states that if the user / the player got the number right, they would get this command, else they would continue to play the game until they get the right number. And if the user got the guess right on their first try, they would get a comment saying that it's unbelievably brilliant. Or if they took more than one guesses, the comment would say it's pretty good. After this whole program is executed, it would say, does anyone else want to play the game? And is asking for an answer in yes or no format. If the answer is no, it would directly jump onto the next command and say thanks for playing and give a detail of the number of players who have played this game. And if the answer is yes, the entire command would be repeated. So let's try playing this. So once you enter your name, it gives you the instructions and asks for your guess. So let's try 50. If that's too low, let's go for 80 or maybe 75. Which means it's somewhere between 75 and 89. 83, 80, 76. That took too many tries. Since I took 9 guesses, the comment is pretty good, and it gives you an option if anyone else wants to play. If you click no, it just says thanks for playing and one player has played the session. And that's the end of the program. Thank you.